everybody, my name is Todd Stewart. I'm a drummer. I've been drumming for 40 years. I've been playing a long time. And I started using these Collision Drumsticks. I first got these the 12 pairs of them back in February, and I've just been using these two pairs right here the whole time. I'll show you this pair and this other pair. And of course I got an empty pocket here, and it's just been these two drumsticks of the Collision Drumsticks that I've been using for the past 5 weeks now, since I got them shipped in from England back in February. It's now March 17th. Happy St. Patrick's Day to all of those out there who's celebrating. And these things are awesome. These things are fantastic. Try not to swear there, but you know, these things are just absolutely fantastic. Look at that. Hardly any dents in them. Any cracks have yet to snap off on me at all. Look at, like, compared to what is like, there's a bucket of drumsticks I go through. Those were, you know, could either last a day or, you know, a couple of days, couple of practices, but snapping off on me within practicing, within playing. And these things, these incredible Collision 2B drumsticks are just fantastic. So if you want a good set of pair, here's what I'm talking. See that? That's a package of 12 that I've yet to open. I've had these. I've just been using these two pairs of sticks for the last couple of weeks, and set of 12, it's still in the package. It's still in cellophane, and it's, you know, I'll just kill these two go on me, you know, because they're doing me well, and they're well worth the price of buying them, having them shipped to you all the way from England. They are well worth it. They are just solid pieces of wood. I can't recommend them enough. Anyways, that's it. Take care. And Collision Drumsticks, you guys make some great sticks. All right, take care. Have a good day.
That we fell into a rhythm where the music don't stop for life. Glitter in the sky, glitter in my eyes, shining just the way you like. If you're feeling like you need a little bit of company, you met me at the perfect time. You want me, I want you, baby. My sugar boo, I'm levitating. The Milky Way, we're renegading. Yeah, 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 yeah. I got you, moonlight, you're my starlight. I need you. I'm levitating. You, moonlight, you're my starlight. I need you all night. Come on, dance with me. I'm levitating. I believe that you're for me. I feel it in our energy. I see us written in the stars. We can go wherever, so let's do it now or never, baby. Nothing's ever too far. Glitter in the sky, glitter in our eyes, shining just the way we are. I feel like we're forever every time we get together, but whatever, let's get lost on Mars. You want me, I want you, baby. My sugar boo, I'm levitating. The Milky Way, we're renegading. Yeah, 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 yeah. I got you, moonlight, you're my starlight. I need you all night. Come on, dance with me. I'm levitating. You, moonlight, you're my starlight. I need you. Blast off, and I'm feeling so electric, dance on us off. And even if I wanted to, I can't stop. Yeah, 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 yeah. My love is like a rocket, watch it blast off. And I'm feeling so electric, dance my ass off. And even if I wanted to, I can't stop. Yeah, 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 yeah. You want me, I want you, baby. My sugar boo, I'm levitating. The Milky Way, we're renegading. I got you, moonlight, you're my starlight. I need you